Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this video tutorial, I want to share with you, especially for people who are running e-commerce store with Elementor, which are experiencing the website loading very slowly, but they also don't have the budget to upgrade their server to a better web hosting. So what you can do is that there's a plugin I want to share with you that's available free right now that you can install and see if it helps in improving your website loading speed. So let's go to add new plugin in your website dashboard, and you can search for the blog Woocommerce and wait for it to show the result. So this is the one I've already installed. So now I click activate. So it has been activated. So they will have a option for you. Okay, so let's go to these settings over here. And I've already enabled all the optimization settings. So what this plugin does is that it helps to eliminate some of the extra scripts that are running by WooCommerce, so that when you load your WordPress dashboard or when you load WooCommerce orders page or other page, the loading will be faster because a lot of additional scripts are being excluded. So this plugin is useful. Again, I would just want to share with you that you can use this plugin to improve your WooCommerce website loading speed if you do not have the budget to upgrade your web hosting server. So if you have the budget, I always recommend that you go for Cloudways because Cloudways is a very secure and powerful server that you can use Cloudways to host your WooCommerce store. Then you wouldn't have any performance issue. Okay, so that's all for my video tutorial for today. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.